Hi, this is Dorothy from crazyforcrust.com, and today I'm going to show you my favorite easy Parmesan chicken recipe. It's perfect for a quick weeknight meal. I don't know about you guys, but we eat chicken a lot, and I get so bored of basic chicken recipes. What's great about this recipe is that you can easily make it into new recipes by just switching out a couple ingredients, and I'm going to give you those tips while we're cooking. All right, we're gonna start off with chicken breasts, about a pound. I'm gonna slice the chicken breasts in half and into 4 to 6 even pieces because you want them evenly sized so that they cook at the same rate. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take breadcrumbs and I'm gonna stir in some grated Parmesan, and then we're just going to roll the chicken breast pieces in the breadcrumbs to lightly coat them. Then I'm going to add them to a 9x9 pan that I've sprayed with nonstick cooking spray. And you're just gonna bake that off for about 20 minutes or so. And while that's baking, make sure that you gather the rest of your ingredients, which is a jar of marinara sauce and some mozzarella cheese that you've shredded or buy it pre-shredded, whichever you prefer. After about 20 minutes or so, once the chicken's looking like it's almost finished, take it out of the oven and pour the marinara sauce over the top and sprinkle it with the cheese. Then just pop it back in the oven, finish baking it. Once it's all done and the cheese is melted, take it out, serve it with pasta, and you have the perfect, easy weeknight meal. Now, if you wanna make this into a completely new recipe, all you gotta do is change out that cheese and that sauce. I've made this with barbecue sauce and cheddar cheese. I've made it with salsa and Monterey Jack. All you gotta do is use your imagination. Different sauce, different cheese, you got a brand new chicken recipe that your family's gonna love. For this recipe and more, check out my blog at crazyforcrust.com.